Welcome to this video covering the PLANIX version of Survey. First of all, we will cover the menu. 1. Survey. When the project has been created, this is where you will capture your data. 2. Project, where you will create the project and can see other projects created on the USB drive. 3. Floor. This is where you will create your initial and consecutive floors. 4. Scan. Here you can select panels taken for viewing and add names or a label to a panel. 5. Settings, where you can customize certain options such as HDR on-off and eject your USB. 6. Reload app. If you find you are having app issues, this reloads the app and helps to solve any issues. And next we will go through the survey settings screen. 1. Auto align. This turns on automatic alignment, recommended to be set to on. 2. HDR, recommended to be set to on. 3. Coverage opacity. This sets the laser data coverage opacity in the survey screen. 4. Always show LiDAR scan. This will display a green line showing the live LiDAR scan data. 5. Quiet mode. This will prevent the Theta Z1 and survey from making any noises when taking panos. 6. 360 camera volume. This controls the Theta Z1 bleep volume. 7. Units. Select your preferred, centimeters or inches. 8. Wi-Fi band. Access point name and Wi-Fi password. You can customize these to your liking. 9. Power off timeout. Set this to automatically turn off the system when idle. 10. Save settings. Save any custom changes made above. 11. Reset to factory settings. Resets all settings back to how the system was set up when received. 12. Eject USB. When the system is on, you can use this to safely eject the USB drive. 13. Power off. Shuts down the system, including the Theta. 14. Calibrate compass. Calibrate your compass. There's a video how to included. 15. Align 360 camera. Aligns the Theta lens to the LiDAR for accurate image to data sync. 16. Format USB. This will format or erase the docked USB and apply the correct file system type. 17. Update system file. This is used by Planitar for upgrade and configuration purposes. 18. Update firmware. This is where you are able to update the firmware when new versions are released. 19. System information. This is simply details on the current firmware and system serial numbers. 20. Save system log. This will save a log of the current system session, provided to Planitar support. This will help diagnose any issues. Project and floor creation screen. On the project screen, in the project name box, enter your iGUIDE name here. Typically this is the property address. Below this you'll find the wall thickness field. This is easiest to find at the front door frame. Once both are populated, click on Create. Next you're taken to the floor screen. Here you can either type a floor name or select from a pre-filled drop-down list. If this floor has a differing wall thickness, you can enter it below. You can also select if this floor is below grade. Click on Create to progress to the survey screen. Next is the survey screen. To get started on your first panel, press the shutter icon at the bottom of the screen. After processing, you can pan around in the image to see the produced pano. After relocating the system, press the same button again to create a second pano. Once this is completed, you'll be able to pan and zoom within the laser data area. After taking multiple panos, you can use the arrows at the top to scroll backwards or forwards so you can review your panos. Here is a quick fast forward of a few panos being taken. The button in the bottom right hand corner allows you to use two-shot mode. This allows you to walk around the system instead of finding somewhere to hide. After the first image is processed, you'll be prompted to walk around to the rear of the system and process image number 2. As with single shot mode, you will now be able to check and make sure that the image has been correctly generated. After completing a few panos, or if you notice a pano is out of alignment, you can check to make sure that the alignment is correct by clicking on the Align button in the bottom left corner. You will only be able to align the currently selected pano. Simply drag to move with one finger, and you can use two fingers to rotate the laser data. You can click on Snap to auto align the data for you, Click on Save to save your changes. To back out and not save any changes, simply click on Cancel. The View Mode button in the top right hand corner will allow you to flip from a full screen pano to full screen laser data and back to a 50-50 split. This will help you visualize your work so far. This completes the survey video. Thank you for watching.